Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos in Samsung A55 5G. So for hiding of the photo guys, first of all, just go to gallery and here we have these photos. So I want to hide these two photos. So firstly, just tap on three dot option and then click to move to secure folder. Just first time you have to draw the pattern which you set for the secure folder. Okay. Now we have another photo which we want to hide it, so just tap here and then go to move to secure folder. As you see, the item is now moved to secure folder. Now we don't have this picture in my gallery, and if you want to access the picture, as the picture is now hide, so you have to go to secure folder and then go to gallery option. Here as you see, we have these two photos which are now hide at secure folder. And if you want to unhide this picture, so just tap on these pictures, three dot option, and then click to move out of secure folder. Now these pictures are unhide and it will be show on your gallery again. So that's how guys we can hide the photos in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.